Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. So today I bring for you a beautiful video. I hope you will like it. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this picture, you can see the mirror, the selfie light, and the door. You can see this, and also you can see the bulbs and all. In the mirror you can see the up flowers and all, beautiful flowers, the purple color wall. This one the bulbs, small bulbs, the white color wall, and the table also white color. Beautiful decoration, beautiful design, beautiful meshing and all, good decoration. This one also very beautiful. You can the mirror, the window mirror, backside you can see the lights and the wall painting and decoration. This one the mirror, you can see the 2-3 mirrors, and the cupboard white color, the white color wall, and the one wall is in the silver pink color, beautiful. In this one the bulbs, it is for makeup, beautiful makeup, and the doors you can see beautiful doors and all, the wall also. And this one the mirror, backside you can see this one lights and the candle, the down dog, you can see beautiful dog, sweet dog, and the flowers and all you can see on the wall. This also you can see the bulbs and all. It is a normal makeup place, but looking very beautiful decoration and all. This one also VIP classic. This one you can see the chair, and you can see table and the things where you can keep your VIP things, beautiful things. And this also you can see keep things and all, beautiful. The doors and everything, it is there on the table, beautiful. The flowers also rose. This also you can see the small plants and all, and the mirror you can see beautiful mirror and all, and the chair you can see the wall decoration, beautiful decoration and all, good decoration. This also you can see in pink color, looking very beautiful, very good. You can see the things also very beautiful things and all, looking very good, very nice also. And this also you can see the mirror, you can see, and the flowers, you can see beautiful flowers and all. This also you can see the plants and the TV, you can see maybe the playing games, beautiful, and the books is there, and the plants and all, beautiful plants and all, good decoration and design. This is also very beautiful. You can see the mirror, the table, you can see the small plants, you can see the wall, the decoration, the matching theme is very beautiful. This also matching theme is very beautiful. You can see the tray, you can see there everything makeup thing, it is there, and the wall you can see. This also you can see very beautiful. You can see the table and window mirror, you can see beautiful mirror and all, and the floor you can see beautiful floor. This also you can see the up lights, you can see beautiful lights, and the pictures, maybe family picture or friend pictures, beautiful pictures. And the table you can see the laptop, you can see the DR. This is also very beautiful, the lights and the ring lights, beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so comment me down, so that I can bring for you beautiful videos to impress you. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Goodbye.